Ryan, what advice would you give to someone preparing to buy a home?
Well, as a mortgage specialist, my biggest concern is, are they going to qualify for the loan in order to buy that home? Kind of quickly, what the banks really talk about and what we look for is we look to see if they can repay it. The rule of thumb that the bank uses is called the 5 C's of credit. Basically what that is. Basically, to run down what they are, and the ones we focus on the most is usually capacity and credit. So basically, do you make enough to afford that home? And the other one is, did you have good enough credit history in order to qualify for that loan? How well have you repaid in the past? What a lot of people don't realize is there's other parts of that are very important that you can make sure and ensure that you are going to get the home of your dreams. One of them is capital. How much money do you have saved? What's your net worth? Did you save a lot for retirement? Do you have a big nest egg? Do you have a backup? One of the biggest concerns for the banks is we don't want you to lose your home. So capital means if something happens, if your net worth is good and you have good savings, if some unfortunate thing happens, are you going to be able to continue paying that loan? That's one thing that people don't, a lot of time in my experience, don't focus on enough, especially first-time home buyers. So the biggest advice I could give to home buyers is making sure you have enough cash to cover you for unfortunate events. And then obviously collateral is the house worth what you're paying for? With those all combined, we kind of give a picture of what's a client's able to do. And if you're missing in one area, like somebody that's a new home buyer that's about 21, maybe they don't have a lot of credit. Well, if they have a lot of capital, if they saved a lot of money and they've been very good with it, with savings, we're usually able to turn around and do something. So you don't have to be perfect in all areas, but wherever you lack in one, if you compensate for the other, you should be good.
Oh, that's great.